Ini
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Today we will have a debate session with two teams. The pro team is Nur Indasari and Nisha, and then the pro contra is Andi Sari Bunga and Nur Santi.
Yang terhormat Dewan Juri, fellow opposition team members, and all attendees. Mosi perdebatan kita hari ini adalah Do Gen Z in Makassar still care about Sherine Apache? Kami dari tim pro sangat yakin bahwa Gen Z di Makassar masih peduli terhadap Sherine Apache. Even though they face complex modern challenges, kami tidak menyangkal adanya fenomena negatif seperti pembusuran, balapan liar, dan tawuran. But we believe these are exceptions, not the rule. Dalam hal ini, kami sangat setuju dengan mosi hari ini berdasarkan pada 3 argumentasi. Yang pertama, Sherine Apache as identity. Sherine Apache bukan sekadar nilai tapi jati diri. It's embedded in Makassar cultural DNA. Even though Gen Z is familiar with global culture, mereka punya filter. They know right from wrong based on Sherine Apache. Kemudian yang kedua, real world evidence. Let's see, many young Makassar are successful in creative fields, culinary and technology. They are proud to use local identity in their work. This is Siri or dignity and self-respect. They are also active in social activities, helping others and care for others. Dan yang ketiga, Sherine Apache in the digital era. Gen Z are pros at social media. Mereka gunakan platform ini untuk promosi budaya, education, and positive campaigns. They fight hoaxes and hate speech with constructive content. Ini bukti mereka menjaga nama baik Makassar. Jadi, Gen Z di Makassar masih peduli dengan Sherine Apache. They are adaptive, creative, and hold fast to noble cultural values.
Okay, we appreciate the pro team optimism, but we see a different reality. We argue Sherine Apache is trending among Makassar Gen Z. Proof? Lihat saja berita setiap hari. We are not saying all Gen Z are bad, but the success and example mentioned by the pro team are just a handful. Mayoritasnya are straight in hedonism and individualism. And I have 3 arguments. Is pembusuran is no longer just team mischief, it's become terror. Young people are willing to hurt, even kill others for the sake of being noticed. Where is their Siri? Self-respect is gone. Straight brow case offending students or civilians in Makassar often carried out by motorcycle gangs. And then argument 2 is balapan liar is just about spend, it's about defying the law. They are proud of break rules, disturbing society. Drugs are also rampant, ruining the future of the younger generation. Di mana pace mereka? Empathy is dead. Illegal ranching often happening on Jalan Petarani or Jalan Urup Sumarjo, causing accidents and loss of life. And then tawuran antar sekolah is no longer just a test of strength, it's become revenge. They carry straight weapons, hurting each other. Where is their Siri and Pacha? Solidarity is turned to brutality.
Tim kontra hanya melihat sisi gelap Gen Z Makassar. We acknowledge there are problems, but that doesn't mean Sherine Apache is dead. In fact, amid these challenges, many young people are trying to bring it back to life. Saya sebagai pembicara kedua tim pro akan memperkuat argumentasi pembicara pertama. Pertama yaitu many young Makassar are present They use technology to preserve tradition, promote tourism, and empower local communities. Ini bukti Siri mereka untuk membangun Makassar yang lebih baik. Example, mobile apps containing information about Makassar culture, or e-commerce platforms selling local handicrafts. Kedua, Gen Z Makassar are active in social initiatives. They help disaster victims, clean up the environment, and advocate for monetary rights. Ini bukti pace mereka untuk peduli pada sesama. Example, volunteer communities helping flood or earthquake victims, or organization advocating for women and children's rights. Dan yang ketiga yaitu the government and schools are making improvements. Character education is integrated into curricula. Anak-anak diajarkan tentang Siri Napace dengan cara yang kreatif dan menyenangkan. This is for Makassar culture. Example, school programs teaching Makassar history and culture, or extracurricular activities building leadership and social skills.
The theme is tonight. They only see the surface. Innovation and social action are good, but they can't hide the fact that many young people are losing their way. Character education is good, but it's too late. Anak-anak sudah terlanjur terpapar dengan budaya negatif. We need firmer action to address this issue. Environment has a huge impact. Jika anak tumbuh di lingkungan yang penuh dengan kekerasan, drug and crime, it's hard for them to embrace Siri Napace. Example, kids growing up in slum or high crime areas who often become victims or perpetrators of crime. Orang tua sibuk bekerja and pay little attention to their kids. Anak mencari pelarian di dunia maya. Parental role is crucial for instilling moral values. Contohnya itu seperti parents too busy working to communicate with their kids, or parents who don't know what their kids do online. Siri Napace is feeding more and more. We need a mental revolution to change young people mindset. Kita harus berani mengakui masalah dan mencari solusi yang.
Kami dari tim Prototype Optimist. Siri Napace is still there, even if hidden. Tugas kita adalah menggali potensi anak muda, give them spaces to create, and instill novel cultural values in relevant ways. We cannot generalize about Gen Z. Mereka adalah generasi yang adaptif, kreatif, and have the spirit to build a better Makassar. Mari kita dukung mereka, not push them aside.
And then we from the Contra team don't mean to be pessimists, just realistic. Siri Napace is spending can just really on innovative and social action. We need more concrete and target steps to address these problems. We must dare to acknowledge there are serious issues among Makassar Gen Z. We need to improve the education system, strategy family rules, and create a conducive environment for young people's more growth. And Siri Napace is our identity. Jika kita biarkan hilang, if we let it difference, Makassar will lose its soul. Mari kita selamatkan bersama. Before it's too late.